Hello students, welcome back. Let's study graphs in chapter 3, lesson 3. Graphs, it's a good way to show data and we have bar graphs and line graph and circle graph. This example about it bar graph. Example 1 also it's about bar graph. Bar graph, when you use bar graph, we use bar graph when the data is countable. That means it's don't change over time. So we have this table. The data in the table below show the number of grams of protein and fat and carbohydrate in 1 cup of 3 different food. So we have this food, plain macaroni and whole milk and potato salad, and we have protein, fat, carbohydrate in each foods we have. So we have a gram, for example, protein is 7 gram, and for milk we have 8 gram and 7 gram also. So this example it's about bar graph because this data we have in this table it's countable. We use the bar graph. This is example about bar graph. Look at there. From there we will write the name of foods, and from bottom we will write the number of grams in each food. And this yellow bar explain for us protein, and this red it is fat, and this blue it's carbohydrate. So if you ask which food has less fat, so we look at this bar, we look which one it's a less number. Look at it. This red bar it is a fat. So from macaroni we have less. That means macaroni it has less fat. And we have line graphs. Data that shows change over time is best displayed in a line graph. A line graph displays a set of data using line segments. A double line graph is used to show two different sets of data for the same period of time. So from there, that means a line graph it is used to this data we have it's changing over time. For example, we have this example. It's about money in saving accounts, Ahmed's and Khalid's. So from there, the data it's changed over this months we have. So sometimes data it's changed with a day and with years. For example, temperature it's changed with day, and this data it's changed. We use the line graph for this data it's changed over time. So this from this table we have Ahmed's saved money from March, April, May, June, July, and Khalid's also. We'll draw this line graph. From there, this horizontal line will write the scale we have, and this is a mountain of dinar. From there also, from bottom, we'll write the name of month we have from March, April, May, June, July, and this green line it's Ahmed's line, and this red it is Khalid's line. Please students, it's typing mistake. Just change this to name. The red it is Khalid, and the green it is Ahmed. So from there, from March, Ahmed has 163. So we from March, look at there, near to 163. We put this point. After that, 172 from April. We put from there this point. We put from there this point from place 172. It is from May 151, and after that June 138 we have. Okay, and after that 102 we put point. Look at it, it's between 80 and 120. It is 102. After that we'll connect this point by line, and we put the points Khalid's we have 43, 55, and 76, 79, 98. After that also connect this point to get this line, and from there we show that Khalid saved money it will be increased, and Ahmed saved money from March to July it will be decreased. That's information about this table. Also, we have circle graph. A circle helps you compare parts of the data to the whole and to the other parts. So circle graph it's used to compare and sometimes used to divide other parts. Okay, in 1987, compact disc were new. The circle graph shows the way recorded music was sold, about how many cassettes were sold for every CD sold that year. So from there, this circles show us in 1987, 62% cassettes sold and the CD was 12% and single records it's 6% and record albums it's 20%. So look at there, the more sold it's cassette and the less sold it is a singles record. If you say about how many cassettes were sold for every CD sold that year, so we'll divide 62 by 12. 62 divided by 12 we'll find near answer. Don't need exact answer. So 60 it's near 60 and divide 12 it's 5. That means about 5 cassettes were sold for every CD sold. From page 62, we have some exercise. Let's do together. From number 2 and 3, tell if you would use a bar graph or line or circle graph to display the data. Number 2, the average monthly rainfall in your city over 2 years. So from there we have over 2 years. That means the data it will be changed. So we use the line graph because data it is changed over time. We say that when you have a data it's change, use line graph. Number 3, a family budget divided into types of expenses. So we have a divide. For divide we use the circle graph. Circle graph. And from number 4 and 5, number 4, the heights of 5 students. So height it's countable data, it's don't change, we don't have time, so we use bar graph. Number 5, the price of a product over 6 months. We have 6 months, so data it's change over time, it is line graph. We get end for this lesson. Thank you for watching.